From the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies, the universe is in a constant state of motion. This motion, whether it's the vibration of particles or the orbit of planets, can be described using the language of waves. Waves, like those we see on the ocean, have a rhythm and a pattern. To understand this cosmic dance, we need to understand three fundamental concepts: amplitude, frequency, and time period. These terms might sound complicated, but they represent simple ideas that we experience every day. They are the keys to unlocking the secrets of sound, light, and even the very fabric of space-time. By grasping these concepts, we gain a deeper appreciation for the elegance and complexity of the universe. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of waves. Imagine a child on a swing moving back and forth. Amplitude is simply how high the swing goes from its resting position. The higher the swing, the greater the amplitude. In the world of waves, amplitude often relates to the intensity or strength of a phenomenon. For sound waves, a larger amplitude means a louder sound. For light waves, it means a brighter light. Frequency tells us how often an event occurs over a specific time period. In our swing example, frequency would be how many times the child swings back and forth in a minute. A higher frequency means more swings in the same amount of time. Finally, time period is the time it takes for one complete cycle of an event. For our swinging child, it's the time for one complete back and forth motion. These concepts are not confined to physics textbooks. They are woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Our beating hearts, the ticking of a clock, the changing seasons, all exhibit these principles. Consider music. The amplitude determines the volume, the frequency dictates the pitch, and the time period governs the rhythm. A high-pitched note has a higher frequency than a low-pitched one, and a fast tempo means a shorter time period for each beat. Even our perception of color is governed by frequency. Red light has a lower frequency than blue light, which is why we see a rainbow with red on one end and blue on the other. Amplitude, frequency, and time period are not isolated concepts, they are intimately connected. Frequency and time period have an inverse relationship. Higher frequency means a shorter time period, and vice versa. Imagine a hummingbird flapping its wings rapidly. The frequency is high, and the time period for each flap is incredibly short. Understanding these relationships unlocks a deeper understanding of the universe. Scientists use these concepts to study everything from earthquakes and tsunamis to radio waves and the behavior of distant stars. By grasping the language of waves, we can decode the symphony of the cosmos and appreciate the intricate dance of energy, matter, and time.